Hello. Today I'm going to be presenting my rock, paper, scissors game. And basically, this rock, paper, scissors is going to let many clients connect to a server. It's going to let them join rooms and then play a game of rock, paper, scissors with some extra features. So let's begin. So I have already built my project. Um, so now we're going to run the server via command line. And I already just have my commands here. So now the server is waiting for the next client. So we're going to add 3. And we're going to run them via We're going to run the UI. Instead. So when we run the server via the command line, the server is going to listen for connections on a specified port, and that port is going to be port 3000. And so now we're going to run it. That's 1, that's 2, and there is 3 clients. So we're going to make them pop up here. So here we have our connection panel, and the first thing we're going to see is the host and the port. And the host field is going to allow users to enter the server host address, and then the port is going to allow you to enter the server port. However, the server host address and the server port are offered by default, so not much needs to be altered here. And then here we have the username field, and the username field is going to allow users to enter their username as such. And we can do this in alphabetical order. And then you have your previous and connect, and the previous takes you back to the previous page or card, and then the connect will just connect the users to the server. And then once all clients are connected, you can see here that they are taken to the room lobby by default. And to be able to do anything, we are going to have to create a room because users cannot play or start the game in the game room. So we're going to have one. There's also the search, create, and join buttons. The search button, you can search for a room. The client can search for a room. The create creates a room, and the join will join a room. So here we are going to click on create. Ali will create a room. Bale will join that room, and so will Cat. And we'll go back to, and now we can see things appear to be a bit different. Now we can see our game events panel, our user list panel, our chat panel, and the ready panel as well. One of the issues I had was getting it, the width, adjusting the width of the UI. I wasn't quite able to implement that well, so yeah. So to start, as we can see on this side here, Ali, Bale, and Cat, and they're all in order based on which client it is. Another thing I was not able to configure in due time. So there's also markings by their name. They're highlighted in yellow. And the yellow is supposed to represents that they're pending and shows that they're pending in the user list. This is the chat panel where you can see all the messages. And then here we have our ready panel where they will click ready when the user is ready to play. You also have your game event panel that shows the messages related to game events like picking choices and then your battle logs. And then you also have here your choice buttons are displayed. You have choices for rock, paper, scissors, Spock, lizard, skip, and away. And this is the away button where if a user ends up clicking on away, the user will mark themselves away, so they'll be able to a user can mark themselves away. They'll be skipped in the turn flow, but they'll still be in the game. So let's begin. Ready, ready, and ready. Now it shows as pen users are the color on the side has changed and the current phase is now ready and the users can begin the game. Before then, there was the ready timer. Now it's showing the round timer. Click ready again. Ali is ready. Cat is ready. And Bale is ready. And now all users will pick a choice. Let's say Spock for Ali, P, and then let's say Skip for Cat. And it says here that Bale has been eliminated, Ali has made their choice, and Cat has made their choices as well. So now we can see because another thing I also was not able to do was implement the mark eliminated, making it basically for the user list, having it turn red when a user is eliminated. So Bale was eliminated during this game, but I wasn't able to. It ended up not working the mark eliminated method. However, the other ones do show. So, and I also the sort users also was not working too well. However, you still can see their points in the user list panel. So Ali shows as having 0 points because Cat won against Ali, seeing as Paper wins against Spock. Cat it shows Cat to have 2 points because Cat won that round, so she gained the point, and then so she gained 2 points because they returned 2 points. And then we have Bale, who was eliminated. So Bale also has 0 points. And then, so I didn't mention before, but the round countdown timer that was shown earlier shows the time for the current round. And then the client will, and then all these messages here, the client is updating the UI based on the messages that are being received from the server. And then the choices that were made and the command and the choices that were made were also sent to the server. So the X I was not able to input the spectator mode where clients can join as spectators who can see the chat but do not participate. Um, for the cooldown, I also was not able to implement well. A few issues also involve restarting the round and like restarting the round and restarting their states because it causes it's been causing interferences with the UI, and yes, and I think that is all.